In the theater of the body, a sneeze begins as a spark of irritation that travels from nasal mucosa to the brain. The diaphragm contracts, ribs flare, and the chest vaults as air surges through a windpipe blocked by the chorus of muscles. Nerve signals hijack the muscles around the eyes, nose, and throat, coordinating a rapid, explosive release that clears the airway. After the storm, tiny hairs and mucus return the nasal passages to calm, while the body resets its protective reflexes. This tiny cascade reveals how dozens of tissues collaborate, showing the elegance of biology under the skin.